Is it time to buy or sell QMMM Holdings stock? In this video, we are diving deep into QMMM Holdings. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 9th of September, 2025. And now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since June 23, 2025, our system has ranked QMMM Holdings as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of over 17,744.83% since we initially recommended purchasing QMMM Holdings 55 days ago. This translates to an average return of approximately 322.63% per day since it was categorized as hold or accumulate. A score of 0 indicates that our system predicts significant volatility and risk for the upcoming trading day. Considering the latest developments, we are currently unable to ascertain the stock's future direction, as it may proceed in either direction. The stock has broken through a significant and robust rising short-term trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase ahead. Should there be a pullback, support is now established at the ceiling of the current trend, which was previously broken at $27.28. This level may present a second opportunity for gains. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 737.93% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 72.06% to positive 10.43%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 0.372%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 99.42% and positive 0.372% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $1.19 and $207.77. Our latest daily update for QMMM Holdings includes the headline, High Volatility in QMMM Holdings Limited Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $207. The QMMM Holdings Limited stock price gained 1,736.73% on the last trading day, Tuesday, September 9th, 2025, rising from $11.27 to $207. It has now gained for 7 consecutive days. It is uncommon for stocks to achieve such a streak, and minor declines should be anticipated. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 3,595.12%, with a low of $8.20 and a high of $303. The price has risen in 8 of the last 10 days and is up by 4,409.8% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume increased on the last day, alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 11 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 13 million shares changed hands for approximately $2.78 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $303, while the lowest was 54 cents. Currently, the price is 31.68%, or $96, below the 52-week high of $303, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. QMMM has transitioned from niche initial public offering stories to more volatile headlines today. Shares surged during the regular trading session, reportedly increasing by over 1,700%, but subsequently retraced those gains in after-hours trading. This pattern indicates extreme short-term speculation and thin liquidity. The company also announced a strategic initiative into cryptocurrency and blockchain artificial intelligence solutions, repositioning its digital media, virtual avatar, and virtual apparel technology business toward next-generation crypto analytics and a crypto-autonomous ecosystem. This pivot may attract growth investors who value exposure to artificial intelligence and blockchain, but the company's success will depend on execution, partnerships, and monetization. Compounding near-term pressure, QMMM completed a controversial public offering of $8 million in June, at a price of 20 cents per share for 40 million shares, leading to significant dilution compared to its initial public offering price last year. Additionally, it received a NASDAQ minimum bid deficiency notice earlier in 2025, with a compliance deadline set for August 25, 2025. In summary, expect continued volatility and price swings in the short term as traders respond to news and liquidity imbalances. Over the long term, the stock's performance will hinge on whether the company can effectively translate its cryptocurrency and artificial intelligence strategy into sustainable revenue and restore stable market compliance. Failure to execute or resolve listing issues could negatively impact the share price, while successful execution and improved fundamentals could support a higher valuation. Analysts have assigned a general strong sell rating to QMMM Holdings stock. They have categorized the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for QMMM Holdings. The QMMM Holdings Limited stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. During any downward corrections, support is expected at levels around $35.97 and $9.56. Should the price fall below either of these thresholds, it would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, the 28th of August, 2025, and since then, the stock has increased by 4,840.33%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is regarded as a strong technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 85 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 56 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 52 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 56 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 57 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 78 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss for QMMM Holdings. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. If conditions are unfavorable, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock is known for its high volatility, with an extensive prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $294.80 between its highest and lowest points, representing a remarkable 3,595%. Additionally, during the last week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 741%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for QMMM Holdings, let's first review some key fundamental data. Let's begin with the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to various external factors. However, a pattern of consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QMMM Holdings. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, indicating that the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine the optimal moment to exit. Conversely, there is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which suggests that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. It is advisable to proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. Our recommended stop loss is set at $200.79, reflecting a decline of 3%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. The relative strength index, measured over a period of 14 days, is at 100, further amplifying this risk. However, we have identified a buy signal from a pivot bottom established 7 days ago. Is QMMM Holdings stock a good buy? QMMM Holdings Limited shows several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to recommend it as a buy candidate. At the current level, it is better regarded as a hold candidate, allowing investors to either hold or accumulate shares while awaiting further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 10th of September, we anticipate QMMM Holdings will open lower by $34.27, beginning trading at $172.73. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is essential not to base your investment decisions solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.